Hello, my name is Lucas. I am a young man. I want to tell you about my daily routine. I will speak very clearly. This story has easy words. You can listen and learn new English words.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. My alarm clock is on my phone. The music is soft. I open my eyes slowly. I feel good. I do not like to rush. First, I stretch my arms and my legs in bed.
I take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Then I get out of bed. I open the window. The air is fresh and cool. I like the smell of the morning. Next, I go to the bathroom. I look in the mirror. I brush my teeth up and down, left and right. I use my toothbrush and toothpaste. My teeth are clean now. Then I wash my face with warm water. It feels refreshing.
I take a quick shower every day. I feel fully awake after the shower. I use a towel to dry my hair and my body. I put a little lotion on my hands. I want my skin to be healthy. I look in the mirror again and smile. I think, let's have a good day.
Next, I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast. I like to cook in the morning. I usually make oatmeal. I put milk in the oatmeal. I add some honey and a few slices of banana. It is a healthy breakfast. I always drink a cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee. It tastes strong and hot.
After breakfast, I go back to my room. I need to get dressed. I choose my clothes. I look at the weather. Is it sunny? I wear a light shirt and comfortable pants.
I check my backpack. I put in my laptop, my charger, and my notebook. I need them for work. Finally, I put on my shoes. I say goodbye to my home and leave the house. I ride my bicycle to work every day. I have a red bike. It is a good bike. The ride takes about 15 minutes. It is not long. I enjoy the ride. I feel the wind on my face. I hear the birds singing.
Sometimes I stop at a small park. I sit for 1 minute on a bench. I watch the trees. Riding my bike gives me good energy for the day.
I arrive at work. I say hello to my coworkers. They are my friends at work. I work at a design studio. My job is to create posters and pictures. I use a big computer. I like my job because it is creative. First, I check my emails. I look at my to-do list. I check what I need to finish today. Then I open my design software and start working. My team is friendly. We work together. We share ideas and tell jokes. We are a happy team.
Around 1 o'clock, it is lunchtime. Sometimes I eat lunch with my colleagues. We go to a small cafe near the office. I usually order a soup and a sandwich. Sometimes I eat pasta. The afternoon is usually quiet. I finish my design projects. I check the small details. I send the final designs to the clients.
I listen to calm music when I work. It helps me concentrate.
Around 4:30, we have a short meeting. We talk about our progress. By 5:30, the workday ends. I save all my files. I clean my desk. I am ready to go home.
After work, I usually stop at the grocery store. I buy vegetables, fruit, and things for dinner. Then I ride my bike home.
When I arrive, I wash my hands. I change into comfortable clothes, shorts, and a soft t-shirt. I sit on the couch for a few minutes. I need to rest my legs. Sometimes I check social media or reply to messages from my friends.
In the evening, I like to be active. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I go jogging in the park. I run for about 30 minutes. I listen to upbeat music. On other days, I do yoga at home. I watch an online video. Yoga helps me relax and stretch my body.
Around 7:30, I cook dinner. I like to try different recipes. Sometimes I make vegetable soup. Other times I make grilled chicken with rice. Or sometimes I prepare pasta with tomato sauce and cheese. While I cook, I play my favorite music. I sing along. Cooking is fun.
After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the table. The kitchen is tidy now. After cleaning, I spend time doing hobbies. Sometimes I play my guitar. I love the music. Sometimes I call my parents or chat with my sister. On Fridays, I meet a friend. We go for a walk or drink a cup of coffee. I also like to read books about ideas and learning new things. Reading helps my mind relax.
Around 9:30, I start my bedtime routine. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face again. I prepare my clothes for the next day. I like to be organized. It makes me feel calm.
Then I make a cup of chamomile tea. The tea is warm. I drink it by the window. I look at the city lights. I think about my day. I feel thankful.
Before bed, I write in my journal. I write about what I did. I write about what made me happy. I write about tomorrow. It helps to clear my mind.
I turn off the big light. I turn on a small lamp. I read a few pages of a novel. Or I listen to soft music.
Around 10:30, I lie down in bed. My blanket is warm and comfortable. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I smile. I tell myself, you did your best today. I feel peaceful. I am ready to rest. Soon, I fall asleep. I dream of new adventures that tomorrow will bring.